subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under A series in China called Oppo A96. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A96 5G supports a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with up to 60Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 690 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Oppo A96 5G features a dual camera setup on the rear with Gemini ring breathing light and LED flash at the top left corner. The dual-ray camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture and a 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS dual skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 159.9 by 73.2 by 7.5mm, and it weighs around 171 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A96 5G has been priced in China at 1999 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black, Pink Warm Sun, and Symphony color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A96 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.